Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make HDR effect on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut, click new project, add video that you want to make HDR effect, this one, and then click add at the bottom. And now you just click on the effect at the bottom in here, and then click a video effect, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see comic, this one, click on it, and then in here you can swipe down until you can see a pen with sketch, this one. So you just click on it and then click check icon. Now you can set the effect until the end of the video. And then now you click on video effect again, this one, and then click on a basic and swipe down until you can see a blur. Blur, where is blur? Hello, oh, this one. And then click on it and click check icon again. Now set the effect until the end of the video. And now export the video. After you export the video, and then you go back, click in here, click on it, and in here you can click on Beyond with Cat and click replace effects, this one. And in here you can swipe down until you can see a neon, this one. So you just click on it and now click check icon again, and then export. After you export again, you can go back again, click on it and the top, and now you delete the effect. So you just delete this effect, click on the effect and then click delete at the bottom, click effect, click delete. And now you just click on overlay, click on overlay, this one, click on it and click add overlay. And in here you select the first exported video, this one, click on it and click add at the bottom, this one, click add at the bottom. And now make it the full screen like this. Okay, now you go to now you click on overlay, this one, and then at the menu you can click on the splice, this one, click on it, and in here you can click on burn, this one, click on burn, and then adjust the opacity to 14 or 15 like this. Okay, now you just click on the check icon in here, and then now you click overlay again, and then click add overlay again. Now you just select another clip, this one, the second video, and click add at the bottom. And now make it the screen full screen like this, and then in here you just click on this In here you just click on switching. Okay, in here you just click on the second overlay and then click on splice please, sorry. Click on it, and then in here you just click on dodge, this one. Click on in here and dodge, click on it, and set the opacity until 14 or 16, like until 16 like this. And then after this you can click check icon in here, and now you just click on add overlay again. Click on overlay again, and in here you can click on stock video at the top, this one. Click on it and click on black video, this one, and click add at the bottom, and then make it full screen again like this. And now set the black video until the end of the first video like this, and then now just click on the splice again, and then click on a filter, this one, and then now you just click on a check icon at the bottom. And after this you can export the video, and then so that how to make HDR effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.